System. 3, 2, 1.
Welcome. Today we unlock the power of the latest battle-ready device, the realme 14. Engineered for dominance, built for endurance, and forged in the fire of high-performance gaming. This is no ordinary smartphone. It is time to take a look at the realme 14. Alright, now that message is out of the way, let's talk about the design. This isn't just a phone, it's like armor for your gaming battles. And this Mecha design is straight out of a sci-fi action movie. The Victory Halo camera module adds a touch of its futuristic style. It comes in Storm Titanium, Mecha Silver, and Warrior Pink, because even warriors have to flex. And why did I say armor-like? Well, the realme 14 has an IP69 rating, meaning it's water and dust resistant, so it can handle high water blasts or deep submersion. If you ever find yourself, in the pouring rain or wanting to use your phone in the pool, the realme 14 has got your back. Under the hood, this machine is armed with incredible hardware and software. Equipped with the world's first Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor, it's light years ahead of its mid-range competitors. Up to 26 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, just because it can. 120Hz AMOLED display for ultra-smooth visuals and 2000 nits peak brightness. Even the sun can't outshine your screen. The Realme UI 6.0 with AI Boost also ensures you stay ahead of the competition with smoother multitasking. Enough talk, let's see how this beast performs in battle. It has 120 FPS gaming support for mlbb, Free Fire, and Honor of Kings. A dedicated GT gaming mode that maximizes CPU and GPU power for peak performance. It also has a bionic cooling system, which keeps it cool even during intense 90 FPS gaming, and a massive 6000 mAh Titan battery. Need a charge? 45-watt fast charging gets you back into the action in no time. And of course, everyone needs a camera to capture their victories, right? The 50-megapixel AI OIS camera on the realme 14 takes sharp and steady shots even when you're moving. The AI Snap mode captures action at 1 per 10,000 second shutter speed, perfect for esport moments. AI Eraser lets you remove photo bombers from your epic shots, and the 16-megapixel front camera with AI Clear Face, because even in battles, selfies matter. So after putting it through its paces, it's clear. This device is built for players who don't want to settle. With its industry-first Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor, blazing fast 120 FPS gaming support, and a massive 6000 mAh battery, it's engineered for marathon gaming sessions without breaking a sweat. The Mecha-inspired design isn't just for looks either. It's rugged, futuristic, and battle-ready with its IP69 durability. If mobile gaming is your battleground, the realme 14 is your new ally. So this is a call to all mobile gamers. Do you think the realme 14 can challenge your current phone and emerge victorious? Put it in the comments down below and let me know what you want me to take a look at next. Bye!